Belang, kemarin orang.
We're here just chilling out while they work on the generator right here. Yeah, cannot believe in the USA that generator is just a throwaway. Anything goes out. Can't find any reparts. No repair shops we could find anywhere, not even Dallas Fort Worth area. Wouldn't even begin to touch it. Shipped it here, put it there in the garage, loaded up today, drove right here to a shop, and they had it going in just minutes. Only a few minutes. Yep, they had every part for it right here in this little old shop. Never even took it inside, working on it right out here on the street. It's unreal. It's kind of a funny world. So this generator was purchased in the USA. It's a Chinese brand. And these guys tell me that, yes, it's a Chinese brand that's actually manufactured right here in the Philippines. So think about that. It was built here in the Philippines underneath the Chinese name, shipped to the United States, sold in the US, broke, could not get it repaired, put it in a box, shipped it to the Philippines, back where it came from, and got it repaired instantly on the side of the street. Crazy world. Little look inside their shop here. Well, we're on our way home now. Successful day in many ways, I guess. And we're here at a little fruit stand. I'm staying in the truck because we're kind of stuck out in the road. A lot of watermelons are in season here right now. Hey Mel, you have nice melons there, babe.
Huh?
You have really pretty melons there. I know it's a cheap shot. I couldn't help myself. Some small little cantaloupes down there at the bottom and melons there.
You want mango?
Yeah, just a few, yeah. I'm gonna pull up here a little bit. We got some other little melons here. Man, I kind of like these other melons also. Those right there, those are delicious melons right there. There's another stand across the street that came in. We haven't never bought from them. They're new. See, they got some pineapple hanging up over there. So I want to do a little follow-up here on how much that repair cost me. So as you see right here, CF water pump sales is the receipt that it actually went under. You go right there. As you see right there, it says generator repair, battery charger. That was one of the things they fixed, is the charge unit there, the box that controls all of that on the side. It was all burnt out and shorted out, so they repaired that. That's for charging the start battery. And then inside also they just wrote it as connection, but they did some work there in the back on the generator inside. It had open there on the field. They went in and worked on the winding part there, did some resoldering, and they changed the part there in the back as well, but I guess they just summed it all up into just one word, just saying connection. The total on there, as you see, was 3,000 pesos right there. Then the balikbayan box that I shipped it in, oddly enough, when I stood it up on its end, I drained the oil out of it, I drained the diesel, made sure all the fluids were out of it. When I stood it up on its end, the box from the shipper XYZ Global, it slid right down over that generator, just as if it was built for it. It was perfect. And then in any little void around it there, I had filled it up with other things like boxes of tools and stuff. A lot of these different boxes of tools, hand wrenches, all of these things underneath down here, all kinds of stuff I packed in around that as well. Quite a few things, and that made my shipping more worthwhile. So it cost me $100 from the US to ship that box here. I'd say probably about $60 worth of that 100 was probably the generator in there. So if you wanted to kind of figure it like that, well, 60 and 60, that put me out $120. So I think that is a pretty good deal on a working diesel generator with electric start. So if any of you in this region around here where we're at, in the Iloilo region, or maybe here on the island, if you don't know where to go to get something like that repaired, there's their address there. They have 2 locations. They're near Robinson's. They're about a block down from Robinson's Mall, the main one there in Iloilo. Well, that's going to conclude this, and I appreciate all y'all watching the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.